trophy, pretty much something that all international cricketers have their eye on. Ladies and gentlemen, it's with great pride that as a fan of the Indian cricket team, I join you all in congratulating Virat as he picks up Sir Garfield Sobers Trophy for ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year. Someone who shared such fond memories of growing up and watching all those ICC events, now picking up.
So loud, that is Priya Babu.
Oh, we need to pick a box because this is just one. The other one that's coming up is the ICC Men's ODI Cricketer of the Year. Once again, it is
मत ही दे बोले बाबू मुझे जानता हूँ कोई नौकरी हो जाए ना जोहार मुड़िया नमस्कार सबको आउ काना कहमे बोलते ट्रॉफी माने जीती है जा आउ यह तो मते बहुत खुश लागो छै कहले कि मोर कन्या भी आइछ मोर संगे देखो केंदा मोल मन हसो छै बरा देखा बरा खुश होई छै